got like these little fangs like creeping out the trees and shit. Like the bitches look like real people. From like if you with my shades on and like from certain angles. At nighttime, that shit would scare the shit out of me because I wouldn't know what the fuck I'm looking at.
Oh, me and my brother and my friend, like, one night at midnight, we just walked back there slowly. Next to know we're walking out, see the cops on the shades on, so we walked on the way.
That's pretty much what we doing, man. We really coming back here to smoke and chill, but it just turned into a vlog now, cause we was gonna smoke and chill live, you feel me? But that's more of these statues, like fucking. This one you can't even read. That shit old. There's a lot of people here though. Feels good over here.